Hey guys, Jordan here with the Nutty Gnome Homestead. Welcome back. So here we are. We're a week into September. The world's going crazy. Gas is $4 a gallon. Groceries are ridiculous. But we're blessed with a little bit of nice weather right now. So we're trying to make the most use of it. As you guys can see, we're out here in one of our gardens. Getting ready for some fall planting. I originally said we weren't going to do any fall crops this year, but I've changed my mind. Watching the news, listening to reports from around the world, seeing the prices go up every day, essentially, at the grocery store. Gas going up every week. I think we might ought to get a couple extra things in the ground. Now, we're not going to go crazy. I did plant any fall potatoes. I'm probably not going to plant any fall green beans. It'll probably just be some cole crops. Maybe some beets, a few turnips. I don't know. I haven't quite decided yet, but I do think I'm going to put in a couple rows of something. But, well, it's nice out here. I decided I'd go ahead and harvest some of our seed for in the spring. So we've got a bunch of our green beans that we let dry on the plants. Probably let them dry a little too long out here, but they'll be okay. And we're going to go ahead and pick these guys and get them put in the greenhouse to dry the rest of the way before we go ahead and shell them out for seed. So let me turn you guys around here and I'll show you what we're dealing with. So as you guys can see, we got a couple of our green bean plants here. They've already dried up, turned brown. The seed pods have already started to get a little crispy on the outside, and that's okay. Over here, we have some that are just starting to turn leathery, and I'll go ahead and collect those as well. But if you guys can see, I don't know, those green ones down there, and we got some green ones over here, I'm not going to pick those. I don't want any of those contaminating, molding, and destroying the rest of my green beans that I've already got picked. So this really is this easy, guys. Whenever you grow quality heirloom seeds, you can collect your own seeds, guys. In just a few minutes, I can save a couple $100 worth of bean seeds, enough to last me a decade or more. But I'll make sure my friends and family have plenty of green bean seeds. I don't normally sell these kind of seeds, but these are the contender green beans. They're a bush bean. They get about 2 foot tall. They're heavy producers. They're very prolific. And all we're doing, picking these off. They snap right off. Really nothing to it, guys. All of these green beans, we decided to let go to seed just to make sure we have enough. We go through and we sort our seeds, and we only plant the best of the best. I only give my friends and family the best of the best, because if I ever need seeds from them, I want the best. So I try to make sure that we only keep the finest quality seeds, the ones that have the best potential. Now, you guys see this green bean right here? It's leathery. It's actually crispy. I just broke the end off of it. Just hasn't quite turned brown yet. That's okay. I'll go ahead and throw it in with the rest of them. And literally in just a couple of minutes, I'll have a 10 by 20 tray of these seeds, which will provide me several hundred green beans to plant in the spring. Alright, guys, so here's a couple more. You can see that one there is nice and crunchy. These guys won't take too long to dry. But anyway, I don't know if you guys have heard it or not, but there's a famous book out there on one of the chapters, Matthew. It talks about a farmer sowing his seeds. Some fell along the road, a rocky path, got ate up by birds, scorched by the sun. Some seeds fell amongst the thorns and they got choked out, but some seeds fell amongst good soil. If you guys don't know the story, I suggest you look it up. Let you guys interpret it how you will. We sowed some seeds. Most of these fell amongst good soil. And from our blessing of harvest, we helped many of folks with not only the produce that we grew, but also from their seeds. If we can have somebody help themselves, or teach them to help themselves, this world will be a better place. So, those people will learn, and then in turn they'll turn around and they'll teach somebody else or help somebody else out. So, right now, we need to do all we can to help each other. Maybe pass it along. Anyway, guys, that was just a quick video. Like I said, I'm just gonna get this 10 by 20 tray and get these all put in the greenhouse. Be back in a minute. Alright guys, so we are in our greenhouse, and basically I'm just going to set this 10 by 20 tray full of green bean seeds in here to dry for about a week. And then we'll get these things shelled and put up for seed for next year. Most of these are dry enough we could probably shell them now, but it's not going to hurt to dry them a few extra days. So that's really all there is to this. That's why we always leave a couple extra of our green bean seeds left over. Green beans, let them hang on the plant to dry out and get a little leathery. Then we'll pick them and put them in the greenhouse to dry. You can let them dry in the house, on a covered porch, even in your car if you want to. Basically, you're just trying to get the extra moisture out. That way so they don't mold on you whenever you do get them stored. Once these beans are dried, they'll store for many, many years. I've got some that are 4, 5, 6 years old. They're still viable. We do our rotation where we try to use the oldest seeds first. So, if you guys have any questions about collecting green bean seeds or saving your seeds in general, please feel free to contact us at Nutty Gnome Homestead or leave us a message down below. If you guys have any questions or comments, please shoot me a message. I'll be happy to help any way that I can. If you would, I'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, get out there and read that book I was telling you guys about. Find that chapter. Let you guys do your own homework. So, till next time, y'all stay safe.